This video consists of slokas 6 to 10 of Narayaniyam Dasaka 18 Prithu Charita. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Shri Guruvayurappa Sharanam भूयस्तां निजकुलमुख्य वत्सयुक्तैः देवाद्यैः समुचितचारुभाजनेषु अन्नादीन्यभिलषितानि यानि तानि स्वच्छन्दं सुरभितनो मधुदुहस्त्वं भूयः त्वं then you निजकुलमुख्य वत्सयुक्ते with the leader of each group as the calf Deva Adyehi Samujida Charubhajaneshu by the gods and others in appropriate special vessels, Annadini Tani, food and other grains, Yani Abhilashadani, whatever was desired, Swachandam, unhesitatingly, Ududaha Tvam Surabhitanum, you caused to milk the earth in the form of Surabhi. Surabhi, the celestial cow. Meaning, you then made the gods and other species of beings to freely milk the earth, who had become like the celestial cow Surabhi. The leaders of the different groups of gods and others acted as cows, milking their desired requirements in appropriate special vessels. The details of these and the vessels etc. are detailed in Srimad Bhagavata, and I have appended this to the cover page of this video. Atmanam yajati makaistoi trithamanne आरब्धे शतदम अवाजि मेधयागे स्पर्धालुः शतमः एत्य नीचवेषः हृत्वाश्वं तव तनयाद् पराजितोऽभूत् आत्मानं यजति मखैत्वैः. As you were sacrificing to the yajnas, Tridhaman, O Lord of the three worlds, Arabde Shatatama Vaji Medha Yage, and at the starting of the 100th Ashwamedha Yajna, Spardhaluhu Shatamagaha, jealous Indra, Etya Nichaveshha, came as a barbarian, Hritva Ashwam, stealing away the horse, Tava Tanayat Parajito Bhut, and was defeated by your son. Meaning, O Lord of three worlds, as Prithu was performing sacrifices to thyself, and he was to begin the 100th Ashwamedha Yajna, Indra became jealous. In the guise of a lowly person, he stole the Yajna horse. He was then defeated by your son, Vijidashvara. Indra is known as Shatamakha because he won that position by performing 100 Ashwamedha Yajnas. He thought that Prithu, by performing 100 Yajnas, would take away his position. This was why he became jealous of Prithu. देवेन्द्रं मुहुरिदि वाजिनं हरन्दं वन्नौतं मुनिवरमण्डले जुहूषौ रुन्धाने कमलभवे क्रदो समाप्तौ साक्षात् त्वं मधिरिपुमैक्षथा स्वयं स्वं देवेन्द्रं मुहुः इति. Thus Devendra Vajinam Harandam, who was stealing the horse again and again, Munivara Mandale Juhusho, when the sages were about to offer an oblation, Vannau Tam, in the fire, Rundhane Kamalabhave, prevented by Brahma, Kradoho Samapto, at the end of the Yajna, Sakshal Tvam, you in front of Prithu, Madhuribhum Aishadaha saw as Madhuripu, that is Mahavishnu. Meaning, Indra, who was again and again trying to steal the sacrificial horse, was about to be offered into the fire by the sacrificing sages, but they were restrained to do so by Brahma. When the sacrifice was completed, you as Prithu saw yourself manifested in the real form as Vishnu, the slayer of demon Madhu. तत्तत्तं परमुपलभ्य भक्तिमेकां गङ्गान्ते विहितपदकदाभिदेव सत्रस्त्वं मुनिनिवहं हितानिशंसन् ऐशिष्टाः सनकमुखान् मुनीन् पुरस्ताद्. Tatdattam varam upalabhya, getting a boon given by him, bhakti egam, you ask for devotion alone. Ganga ande vihidapada kadabi, having established residence on the banks of Ganga. Deva means, oh, Guru Ayappa, satrastam muninivaham. Once, to the group of sages who were doing yajna, Hidani Shamsan, preaching spiritual welfare, Etshishtaha, you saw Sanaka Mukhan Munin Purastad, the sages Sanaka and others in your front. Meaning, O Guru Ayappa, after getting firm devotion alone as boon from Vishnu, Prithu established the residence on the banks of Ganga. Once, as Prithu was expounding dharma to the sages who had assembled there for yajna, saw the Sanaka and other sages before Prithu. Vijnanam Sanaka Mukhodidam Dathanaha Swatmanam Swayamagamo Vananda Sevi Tattadrik Prithu Vapurisha Sattvaram Me Rogaukham Prashamaya Vadageha Vasinne. Vijnanam Dadanaha, receiving the ultimate knowledge, Sanaka Mukha Udidam, imparted by Sanaka and other sages. So, Atmanam Swayam Agamaha, you attained your own self, Vana Anda Sevi, living in the forest. Tad Tadrik Prithu Vapurisha, O God, such nature embodied as Prithu, Sattvaram me, hastily eradicate my Rogaugam, all ailments, Prashamaya Vadageha Vasin, O Lord of Guruvayur. Meaning, receiving the ultimate knowledge imparted by Sanagadayas and living in the forest, Prithu realized his own self. O Guru Ayappa, who embodied thyself as Prithu, be pleased to quickly cure me of all my ailments. To continue here with the summary of Prithu Charitra, which was briefed by me in my last video, Bhagavata Purana further states that Prithu performed 99 Ashwamedha Yajnas, that is horse sacrifices, but Indra, king of the demigods, disturbed Prithu's 100th one. The yajna was abandoned. Vishnu gave Prithu his blessings and Prithu forgave Indra for the latest theft of the ritual horse. It also states that the 4 Kumaragas, the 4 sage incarnations of Vishnu, preached Prithu about devotion to Vishnu. After governing his kingdom for a long time, Prithu left with his wife Achi to perform penance in the forest. in his last days, he experienced samadhi and voluntarily gave up his body in the forest, and Archie went sati on his funeral pyre. Harihi Om. With this, the Pridhucharita chapter of Narayaniam is concluded. Here we will have a Bhagavad Stuti. आहुश्चते नलिननाभपदारविन्दं योगेश्वरैः हृदि विचिन्त्यमगाधबोधैः संसारकूपपतितोत्तरणावलम्बं गेहजुषामपि मनस्सुधियात् सदा न हरिः ओम्. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe to this channel and activate the bell icon. Thank you.